What's going on, guys? What's going on? Donnell Lovely here, coming to you live on this Sunday evening, guys. I hope you all are enjoying your weekend, guys. And so I hope you guys stay tuned to this live. Again, I wanted to actually come on here and actually tell people about the holiday season as well as about the upcoming tax season. So, guys, come on in, come on in. I want to know, let me know where you're from, where you're calling in from. Let me know what city you calling in from, what's your profession. I also wanted to be able to thank to just say, happy Sunday to you guys. And as we go on to this tonight and in this training, I'm actually going to be talking to you about how to be able to get ready and get prepared for the upcoming tax season, guys. We're already here. We're already in the season right now of the holiday season, and then the first of the year is in a few more weeks. Just less under 4 weeks left. And so tonight, I want to actually give you a couple things, guys, to be able to use in order to prepare yourself for your tax season, right? And so number one thing, guys, is now is the time to look over your financials, right? Look over your expenses, look over your income, look over how much taxes you have made, look over all the things that you did throughout the year, and then see exactly where you are, right? So what does that mean? So if you have a business, right, you should have what's called a profit and loss statement, right? That means how much money you got coming in and how much money you got going off, and then in between the two is what your profit is, okay? And so normally you get that from your bank statements. You be able to get that from using a software like QuickBooks or Zero or one of those type of platforms you can use to be able to get that information. But the most important part of it is to be able to understand where you are, right? And so if you are running a business, if you're making more than a certain amount of money, over $40,000 in net profit, your conversion of tax percentages may be a little bit more, right? And so a couple of things we want to make sure we do, we want to make sure that we are in position to know exactly how much we are paid, know how much we got left for the rest of the year to actually like spend or allocate other funds, or maybe we might not want to take money right now. Maybe we want to allocate the money for the year, right? So I had one client that actually deferred to have a payment post dated till the first of the year, right? Because they wanted to go into the next year. So that's something that a lot of people can do in order to be able to do that, right? And so that's one of the strategies that you can use, is to make sure where you are, make sure you actually take a look at all your books and see exactly what you have to be able to do, right? And so that's maybe one thing. Okay. Also, making sure, right, that hold on, I got my little notes here. Right. Making sure, like I said, if you're working a W-2, a lot of times what I tell my guys to do, if they're working a W-2, right, is to start some type of side hustle. The reason why you want to do that, right, is because the side hustle allows you to get into different type of tax brackets that you can do not get on your W-2. So if you have a W-2, you just been working your W-2 and you don't have a side hustle, you don't have the opportunity to have your car as an expense. Your clothes that you wear can be a write-off. You don't have options to have the food that you eat to be a write-off, the place that you stay to be a write-off. All these things are done when you formulate some type of business, and that way you can take some of those write-offs, and that way it lowers your tax liability. Because again, you can have the same amount of money that you're spending in taxes coming back to you, just because you just started something, and you paid it. You use all your things that you're doing in order to be able to write that stuff off. So your utilities, your light, your cable, your food. If you have a logo on your shirt, like I have the Adidas shirt, so if I have my logo on this shirt, that's considered a company shirt. For that, I can actually write off the logo, the printing, the dry cleaning, all these things, because now that I'm in business. The telephone that I'm using, because I have a business, I now can allocate my phone bill, right, my internet services, my laptops, all to get written off for tax purposes. Okay. Also, this is one of the times of the year, guys, especially if you moved, right? If you moved, this is one of the times of the year that if you moved, it's the time to now to be able to go and update your address. You can do it right through the IRS.gov portal now. You don't have to really mail it in. You can just update your information, because a lot of times people get letters and things from the IRS. Maybe they have a IP PIN number, which is the Identity Protection PIN number that was placed on you that you don't know about. And so if you moved from the previous address that's on your last tax return, then there, the mail is going to your old address. So you may not get it. And then once it's time to file taxes, right, you not being able to file because you don't have that PIN number. Okay. And another way to be able to do a lot of these things is the IRS.gov, right? And to be able to do the ID me. So when you go to the website, you'll be able to register your account with the ID me. You can get transcripts, you can get IDs, you can update information from it. All these things can be done when you be able to go ahead and access that account. Okay, and so those are a few things that I got going on for today. But me, I'm actually getting ready for the tax season, guys. I'm actually helping a lot of my preparers to get ready. We want to make sure that we're being in compliance. We're getting all of our documents in order. We're reaching out to a lot of the clients that we have in order to be able to guide them, making sure they're prepared. And then just being able to get the holiday season rolling, man, because this holiday season, it came up on kind of quickly, but again, it's all about the family, all about the success of you and your business and everything like that. Okay. Um, yeah. So what else we got going on? Right. So I just got through watching my Eagles game, right? And so what that was entitled, they just was flat. They tired, man. They've been doing a lot the last couple of weeks. They've been winning a lot. They've been doing a lot, but we deal with a rested up team, and so next week we got a rested up team. So hey, it's all good. But a couple of things that's important to know is okay, managing your daily habits, right? Managing daily habits, right? So one of the daily habits I have is I get up early, right? And I also allow myself to have some time for myself, right? Because a lot of times when you're getting up, you can get stressed out. People, you can go, social media got your attention. You got family, you got work, you got other things going on. And so what I've learned, and during this journey is being able to take some time to gather my thoughts, take some time to write down what I'm trying to get accomplished for the day, get up early and get that meditation inside me as well, and create these type of habits that's going to allow me to be able to go out into the world and be the best version of myself that I can be. All right. So, guys, my name again is Donnell Lovely. I am the owner of Lovely Financial Services Refund Tax Solution. I also help people, small business owners, reduce taxes, also retire tax free using different strategies from the tax code, and also allowing the life insurance product to be able to be that vehicle that be able to help you retire as well. All right. And so, with that being said, I'm a um I'm gonna hop off right now, and then I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Thank you guys for joining me. Comment any questions you may have. I always look at this off of YouTube, off of Facebook, off of Instagram, and yeah, you can follow me at Donnell Lovely on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and then you're gonna find me at Donnell Fitzgerald on Facebook. All right. Looking forward to being able to help a lot of my clients. Looking forward to be able to get some new clients. all these things being said, I'll talk to you guys later, man. Peace.